Despite the chairman's best efforts, Austin retains his WWE Championship.
When you put this son of a bitch on the line, it means your big dead ass belongs to Stone Cold Steve Austin.
But Mr. Mr. McMahon's numbers proved too much for Stone Cold, but Austin would exercise his rematch clause for the championship the very next night.
I want a rematch with Kane right here tonight.
It's fine with me as long as it's all right with Paul Bearer.
It's all right with me. It's okay with Kane. Will you give me the rematch tonight?
This crowd, these fans in Cleveland can't wait to see these two behemoths go toe-to-toe.
You know what's going to happen, don't you, JR? You know what Kane's going to zero in on. Look at Austin's head. It was laid wide open last night by a chair from The Undertaker. And Kane is going to zero right in on it tonight. He'll bust Austin wide open. Stone Cold will see his own blood again tonight.
Austin was in the hospital, folks. Last week, he was there 3 days. We'll see if he can steer clear of the hospital here tonight after this one. He's headed for the top. From the top. Oh, what impact. And that wild attack won't find a home. And his attack misses. How in the world did he counter that?
Ooh, that did it.
The behemoth Kane is in an unfamiliar position here, in trouble. Kane doesn't know what hit him. Kane doesn't know what hit him. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Well, it ain't going to be pretty, but the gold is on the line.
Well, what do you think McMahon is thinking right now, JR? Oh, he's got to be a little worried.
He should be. Austin is definitely very ouch.
He's showing no signs of letting up. If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast.
He might not be out of this just yet. And just like that, he stopped right on the...
Look at this. Austin going up. Look at this, JR, going for that tombstone.
Austin counters up the backside. Austin looking for the stunner.
No.
And Kane counters.
All right, here we go. Oh, Kane missed the big boot.
But Austin didn't miss the stunner. What a stunner on Kane. Looks like he...
Oh, look at this. There it is. That's a 3 count, JR. Austin's won.
Austin pinched Kane.
There it is, though. Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Oh, the Undertaker entering the ring right over the top rope.
Oh, this is not good for the Rattlesnake.
The Phenom locking eyes with Austin. And boy, this could get ugly in a hurry.
Oh, wait a minute. The Undertaker turns his back on Austin. JR, you don't do that to the Rattlesnake, do you?
Never turn your back on a rattlesnake or you might get stunned. Stone Cold Steve Austin has beaten Kane. He has stunned the Undertaker, and Austin has the WWE title.
Oh my gosh, what a night for Stone Cold Steve Austin.
And of course the Brothers of Destruction setting up simultaneously.